Is what you need. Oh, wrong side. So the metal polish. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of SO3 TV, and today is going to be a how-to video. So you've probably figured out what this video is about anyway from the description of the video, but before I get to anything, make sure to thumbs up and smash that subscribe button right there. So let's just get to it and have a look. Before I get started, this is what you need. Oh, wrong side. So the metal polish, you can pick this up from Halfords for about £5–6. I recommend if you are going to attempt to clean your chrome exhaust tips or your exhaust in general, this is the best one to use. This weather, honestly, I was kind of planning on filming from outside as in my intro, but the only problem is it's so windy. I tried to film, but I can't hear myself. It's just a real pain. You can clearly see this is what it actually looks like. It's disgusting, I'm not going to lie to you. If you have a look at the other one, it's so much nicer. Except the fact that this is marked, but I think that's, you can't actually scrape that off. But this is what it looks like after, so let's get to it. We'll get started. About that much should be fine. So that much there, and rub it in, just like that. I'll give it a clean. Why this one's harder to clean than the other one. So it's already making quite a big difference, as you can see. It's quite a nice finish, as you can see there. Recommend once clean, grab a clean cloth and just give it a good rub. So it's wrap in there. That's it. And that's how you clean a chrome exhaust tip. That's just the end of the video. I'm not gonna lie, it's really windy outside and the weather isn't exactly great, but I am trying for my viewers, so but yeah, I hope this video has been beneficial to you and it has helped you. Well, I hope it's helped you anyway. But make sure to smash that subscribe button right there and give me a thumbs up, and please share, and let's get to 100 subscribers, let's say in the next 2 months. So make sure to like, subscribe and share.